Hey guys, so this is a continue video for the previous video. So how to add a form to the website. So in the previous videos we created this form. So today I want to show how to add the drop down list, for example to choose an animal. So in the next will be our input, will be in the next will be a select, not an input, so will be a select with name for example animal, so but we need to add a label with name, so choose an animal, so when save this file and reopen, and you can select. So here we need to add a break to the new line, and here you can add some option. So option, you can add a value, for example here will be a dog. Copy this and paste for 3 examples, for example dog, cat and mouse, for example. So change this to mouse. Yeah, so save this file and reopen, and you can select one of these. So when press the reset button, will be the default, will be the first, the dog. So for example, how to add an input field with multi-line. So it is a text area. So how to add this? For example, to write your message. So you can write text area, and the name will be for example a message. Yeah, and you can add with rows, for example 10, and the columns with 10. Yes, so save this file and reopen, and here will be a text area with 10 rows and 10 columns, and here will be a break. For example, you can write this example reopen, and the example will be here. Yeah, so this is the form. So you can write the first name and the last name. You can choose your gender, wait for example male, and you can choose an animal, and you can write something here with the text area, and you can push this button with submit, or the reset button, and the address will be the gender with male, and I choose with the gender with male and animal, and here will be the message. So this is how to create a form. So thank you for watching.